Humans rule Earth without competition. But we may be about to create something that changes everything. Our last invention, artificial superintelligence. Intelligence is power. It made us the most dominant species, able to control fire, build tools, and shape the planet. But now, machines are learning too. At first, AI was narrow and weak, like the earliest animals with simple brains. Then, step by step, it advanced, from chatbots in the 1960s to beating humans in chess and Go, driving robots on Mars, and today writing essays, creating art, and solving problems faster than us. Still, current AI is narrow. It doesn't truly understand what it does. But the next step could be AGI, a machine with general intelligence like ours, but faster, cheaper, and endlessly replicable. Imagine millions of scientists working nonstop, 10 times faster than humans. What would they achieve? Limitless energy? Cures for disease? Or weapons beyond imagination? If AGI can improve itself, we might see an intelligence explosion, leading to a superintelligent entity we can't comprehend, as far beyond us as we are beyond squirrels. It could be humanity's greatest gift or our final mistake. Right now, the race to build this future is happening. The only question is, will we control it, or will it control us?